Hi guys, what's going on? It's the Digital Tutor here with another step-by-step tutorial. In today's video, I'm just going to show you how to get your Roblox account unbanned, and this is working as of 2021. If you find this helpful, please leave a like and drop a comment below. And if you are new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more step-by-step tutorials, how-tos and tips and tricks for everything tech and digital related. What I'm going to do first, I'm just going to open up a browser and show you what I mean. So I'm on my Roblox account and I'm actually active. I've got an active account here. But what I'm referring to is when you get your account banned and you'll get something like this when you try and log in. So it says something along the lines of banned for 7 days, and they're going to give you basically a reason for why they've banned your account and just basically a link to the Roblox community guidelines, so you can check that against the guidelines and see where you went wrong. I mean, obviously your account will eventually get unbanned. In this example, you can see you can reactivate it after the 4th of the 6th. So 7 days after, it's like a 7-day ban. But if you can't wait that long and you do want to play it before then, it's worth giving this a try because sometimes they will unban it before then. So what you're going to want to do is actually come across to google.com. You want to make sure you're signed into your Roblox account before you do this. And then in the search bar, you just want to type Roblox support form. And what you want to do is click the first result that comes up at the top. So this is actually going to bring up a little form for you to fill out. Now, the success rate of this is about 80 to 90%. Most of the time it does go through, no problem at all, okay. Most people get their account unbanned within a couple of hours. Sometimes it can be the next day. But if all fails, don't worry, because like I say, it's not banned permanently if it's only a 7-day ban. But it's worth giving this a shot if you can't wait that long. So what you want to do when you come to this form is just go ahead and fill out the information it's requesting. So you want to put your first name, which is optional. You want to pop your email address and confirm your email address. Make sure it's the one registered to your account. And then what you want to do is come down to this section down here. And where it says what device are you having a problem on, you just want to click the drop down box and select your device. So I'm just going to select PC in this example. And then where it says type of help, you want to go and click onto the top option, which is account hacked or can't log in. And then just basically select the account hacked. So what you want to do is basically put something along the lines of something like, I have noticed I have a ban on my account. I have reviewed the guidelines given your reason for putting a ban on my account and can see where I went wrong. I am very sorry. This is important, this bit. Make sure you apologize. And I promise that this will not happen again, and I will follow the community guidelines better in the future. Please, can you restore my account once again? I am very sorry and promise this will not happen again. So you just want to put something along those lines. Make sure you do apologise. That's very important because it shows that you know what you've done wrong. Also mention that you've this bit here, I have reviewed the guidelines, given your reason for putting a ban on my account, and you can see where I went wrong. Just to say to Roblox that basically you've looked through the guidelines, you know, you can see where you've went wrong and you're really sorry, it's not going to happen again. Please can you restore my account? So once you've done that, all you want to do is click the submit button. Obviously you want to fill out the rest of the details. I'm not going to do it because obviously my account's not banned. And then click the submit button, and normally what will happen in a couple of hours, you should get a message back through, and they're either going to accept your request, which most of the time it does happen. It's just on the odd occasion it doesn't happen. But yeah, that's basically how you do it. If I do come across any other ways, what I'll do is put a updated video out there. But for now, this is the most proven and best way to try and get your account unbanned. So yeah, I hope you found that helpful, and if it did help, please leave a like and drop a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and if you do want to help support the Digital Tutor channel, there is a link in the video description down below. Just go ahead and give that a click and you'll be able to buy the team here a cup of coffee. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.